look at this crap. Well, I see my flash is on now. That's okay. I had to pop the top. Had to pop her top to get the job done. See that where my tweaking tool is inserted? It's a vacuum cap that Heathkit used there. I don't know if it's a vacuum cap or if it's just a cylindrical type of cap. Regardless, for the first time in my life, my little tool was too fat to fit in the little hole. And I tried this one, and you can't use a metal tool, tweaking instrument on that cap. So in desperation, I shaved that down. And let's take a look. I'm going to pause this and turn the receiver up. Hang on. You know what, man? WWV hates me. WWV hates hams. WWV hates QRPers. Man, nothing's going my way. I dropped my tweaker tool 8 times while you were paused. Then it didn't fit. And now WWV isn't broadcasting the tone which highlights the beat note so gloriously. Well, I can hear it, but I'm going to pause you. Hang on. Okay, listen close. I'm going to take it out of tune, then get it as close as I can to being beated. And then I'm going to beat it. Thanks, WWV. I'll unpause you when the tone comes back. We'll try again. Perfectly tuned to WWV, in perfect sync, in perfect beat. The 1 megahertz oscillator's 10th harmonic is within 1 hertz of WWV's frequency. And given that it's the 10th harmonic, the accuracy of the oscillator's 1 megahertz signal is now accurate to within 1/10 hertz. Hey, I know. As a wait, now that since we've talked about luscious dear Katie and vomiting all over her, and what else have we talked about? Well, let's take a look at my Nixie tubes. Let's kill the lights as the perfect way to end an awful video. Hang on. Looks like the one on the far left is gassy. It looks normal from the front. Oh man, my Nixie tubes. I love you. And I swear, Nixie, I did not have sex with that woman.